after your fingers have touched it.
This one's not open. This one's not open. Look, this chocolate not open.
Okay, well that's good.
I picked chocolate because I can look. Look.
Okay, what would you like, Kyan? The green one?
Yeah. And another cookie. Look, the chocolate not open.
It's not open?
Yeah, I just have for me to open this.
How do you ask nicely?
So, here, what is it? I need the green one.
What flavor is the green one?
It's kiwi.
Kiwi? Are you sure?
Kiwi flavor.
Kayla, is it kiwi flavor?
I don't think so.
What flavor is it?
I don't know what it tastes like.
Well, you're tasting it right now. What does it taste like?
Strawberry banana. Strawberry banana.
Is it strawberry banana? Okay, guys, that's dirty. No more.